Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic chatbot. So it is powered by GPT-4. It has many different options like where you can upload your images and get it explained. Also, it will answer your questions very reasonably as like human. So let us go on to today's video and explore with some of the prompts, and we will discuss how it will be useful for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced application. So in this workshop, we are going to discuss about basic syntax in MATLAB, how to make basic programming in MATLAB, and also we are going to explore 2D, 3D plotting in MATLAB, and also we are going to explore different types of Simulink toolbox, that is neural network, fuzzy logic and ANVIS toolbox, and we are going to make a live PID tuning to get the desired output for application, and how to tune different parameters in PID controller. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. On behalf of our channel, we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of prompts, especially ChatGPT prompts, that is research prompts in ChatGPT, and how to make that research prompts work out to get a better content out of ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Phind, that's a AI chatbot. So this is the dashboard of this AI chatbot. You can ask anything you want. So it is powered by GPT-4. The important thing is that it is having an option called upload image. So let us explore with the common prompt here. So I am going to ask, explain about an introduction for the research paper titled Machine Learning Algorithms for Maximum PowerPoint Tracking in Solar PV system. So this is the introduction I am going to ask. So let us see how this Phind will generate answer for us. So here you can see, so it will analyze the, so here you can see the introduction is generated. So the research paper title Machine Learning Algorithm for Maximum Power Point Tracking in Polar Photovoltaic System introduce a novel approach to optimizing solar power generation using machine learning algorithms. The paper seeks to explore how to advanced computational methods can be applied in the output of PV algorithm. So like that it has generated. So and then you can see this is how the content is generated. So a brief introduction is generated for that. So here you can see these are different sources which is analyzed by this particular AI chatbot to get a better answer out of it. So these are the different research paper taken into account. So here you can see and again you will be having different questions to follow up. So how do machine learning algorithms work in solving optimization problems? So what kind of historical data does the research use to train the machine learning models? Can the same techniques can be applied to other type of renewable energy system? How does this approach compare in traditional methods in optimizing solar PV system? So this is how different questions to be asked, possible questions to be asked. For example, if you are interested in this question, just click on that. So here you can see how do machine learning algorithm works in solving problems. So here this is how answer will be generated. So here you can see define the model, specify the objective function, choose an optimization algorithm, iteratively improve the parameters, evaluate the model. So this is how the pin will generate, that is chatbot will generate content for us. So this is how you can improvise your research questions often to get a better results out of it. So you can make use of this option in this Phind AI. And the important thing is that you will be getting the sources. That is very important. Probably you can you may search it for this kind of source, but you failed. So here you can see the sources also will be searched here. So this is the first important thing you can do with Phind. So let us explore with that image option. So here I am going to upload an image. For example, I am going to upload a flowchart here. So this is a random flowchart regarding an optimization. This is a rabbit optimization. So here I am going to upload a flowchart here from the desktop. So in order to upload a flowchart, that is upload image, so you have to go for this try Phind Pro. So it is powered by GPT-4. So you can get 500 plus GPT-4 searches each day. Get image uploads when using GPT-4. Get faster model inference on dedicated cluster of NVIDIA H100 GPUs. So like that you have to go for subscription option. So whenever you are going for this upload image, so if you are interested in the results generated by this Phind, so you can go for this subscription option. Apart from this, you can use our normal research prompts. So here I am going to analyze that is literature review. For example, I am going to ask literature review. So for the literature, for the research paper titled Grid Connected Solar PV System for Electric Vehicle Charging Station, make a literature review with 5 references by giving proper citation. So this is how our input prompt will be. So let us see how it will work out. So grid connected solar PV system for electric vehicle charging station. So here you can see so our content is generated. So a brief explanation is generated. So here you can see the research paper titled Grid Connected Photovoltaic System Based Microgrid as Charging Infrastructure for Meeting Electric Vehicle Load by that the paper, that is the first paper title, this Chowdhury, this is the first paper. So after that you can see that the paper proposes a system where on-site solar power point powers the electric vehicle station and grid supports reliable operation. So like that it has generated content with proper citation. So after that you will be having option called rewrite, and then you can see here you can copy and paste. So if you want to rewrite the content, so just click on rewrite. So here you can use this Phind model or GPT model, whatever the model you want to use. So this is how you can use this Phind that is Phind chatbot to generate a better content for your research paper. So here you can see you can sign in with your mail ID. So without signed in, I have tried with some free option in this particular chatbot. So after you have signed in, you will be having your history and your answer profile. So here you can see this is an option called do you prefer concise answers. So use template. So answers as concise as possible. You must keep your answers under 5 sentences. So do you prefer seeing only code in your answers? So you can use this template. So like that you can make use of this option in this Phind AI also. So apart from this, you can use it as a search engine and also a chatbot. So this is all about this Phind AI. So as far as this pricing plan is concerned, so here you can see try Phind Pro. So these are the plans. So here you can see $10 per month, 30 GPT-4 models uses per day, much faster Phind model inference on dedicated GPU cluster, analyze images with GPT-4. So private Discord server. So here $20 per month. So you will be having 500 plus GPT model users per day. Analyze images with GPT-4, 4 times the input length, up to 32,000 tokens you can add. So you can add brief content. So after that you can see Phind Pro yearly. So this is $200 per year. So here you can access the same as like in your Phind Pro. So these are the important pricing plans in this AI chatbot. So you can make use of this chatbot and get your answer generated by GPT-4. The important thing is that it will answer reasonably when compared with GPT-3 and 3.5. It is trained by models, that is according to databases it has trained. So in GPT-4, according to human, it will answer some questions. So you can make use of this option in this GPT-4 to try this AI chatbot. So if you are interested in try out this Phind AI chatbot and generate some content for your research paper, if it works out well, so you can go for subscription option in this Phind Pro. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.